Hello, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal, kasa kai, kedo halai, kem cho. Once again, I'm here, Abha Jadhav, your most loving host on your most loving program on YouTube channel Spotlight with Abha. Friends, today with me, I have a wonder girl who is just 15 years young and who has recently created a world record of 6,020 decimal digits of root 2 value in just 5 minutes and 12.98 seconds. Isn't it amazing? I was fortunate to host that world record event, which is available on my YouTube. You can go there and watch the whole event. And today, I thought of bringing her in Spotlight with Abha to know the secrets behind her attempt for world record. Friends, help me welcome Sai Yakshara Vemuri from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Welcome, Sai Yakshara.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you feeling today?
I'm really happy and excited.
Oh, how's your world record celebration going on?
Yes, ma'am, it's going on really well.
Great. So, Sai Yakshara, to begin with, I just want to know something about your family. That what your mama do, what your papa is doing, and something about your family, please.
Yes, ma'am. So actually, I'm the only child of my parents, and my mother is a teacher. Like she's a teacher by profession, and she runs an education institution. And my father has done his mechanical engineering, and he also runs the institution along with my mother. And they're all from educational background, basically.
So, were you interested in maths since your early classes?
Yeah, I've been doing good in math since my childhood, and it's one of my favorite subjects. I always perform well in math in my school.
So, what inspired you for that world record?
Yeah, so one day while I was reading the newspaper, I came across a boy who has actually made a world record by reciting 500 decimal places of pi value. Then I got really inspired by that incident, and I thought, why not try another different irrational number? And then I came up with this root 2 value, and I've recited 500 decimal places in 39 seconds and 59 milliseconds. And after that, I created another world record, that is 1200 decimal places in 3 minutes 26 seconds. And recently, that is in November, I made another world record by reciting 6020 decimal places in 5 minutes 12 seconds and 98 milliseconds.
That is really incredible, Sai Akshara. So many records you are holding. So, when did you think that you are ready to break any world record? Means it might have needed some, terrific preparations. So, when did you think that okay, now I am ready and now I should go and attempt the world record?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. So I thought that I was ready to make any world record when I first completed learning 100 digits of root 2 value. So I just wanted to test my brain, like how much capacity that the human brain has, like to test the knowledge and to test the skills of my brain. So I first learned 100 digits of root 2 value, and I thought, okay, I can easily make it. And then I continued learning it, and when I was ready with 500 digits, I thought, why not make a world record? So I made a world record with 500 digits of root 2 value, and with that inspiration and with that enthusiasm, I created another world record within 2 months of the time by setting 1200 decimal places. And later I thought, okay, when we make 3000, 4000, it doesn't make any difference because the rank doesn't change. We still be in the same position. So I thought the best thing to do is go to the top position. So I realized that at that time 6002 digits were the top position, like a girl who has made it. So I thought we need to break that record so that we can be top position in the root 2 value. And then I thought of making the 6020 digits, and I broke the world record last month.
I remember when we used to practice your that world record which you have recently made. You used to complete in 10 minutes or some 12 minutes. Some so that much time you were taking. But on the day of event when it was performed live, you amazed all of us by creating that record in just 5 minutes and 12.98 seconds. Means that is really incredible. So what kind of preparation you did before making your very first record or the recent record you have made?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. So basically, preparation, I don't have any much preparation regarding this root to value. So since 3 years, I've been learning archery. So that's one of the most important thing there. So I used to utilize the travel time to learn my root to digits. Like while going from my home to the archery ground at morning 5:30, I used to revise the previous day's numbers. And while returning home from the archery field to my home, I used to learn the new digits, say 50 or 100. I used to spend not more than 10 minutes daily on this root to value. And that archery time I utilized, and that used to be sufficient for me.
So that is an example of smart time management. In fact, I say you have created extra time out of your commuting
Yeah,
time.
yes,
Yes, and this is
yeah.
really inspirational and motivating for the children who are of your age, and they most of the time they complain that we have to study so much, we have to do homework, and we have so many things to go for coaching and other classes. I don't have time. But yes, children, those who are listening to Akshara's interview right now, you must understand and learn how Akshara is creating extra time for her special record creation preparation. So, Akshara, is there any particular method or technique to learn so many decimal digits?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, there are many techniques that normally people use to remember all these kind of digits and all this. But I've actually not used any technique. They have straightly come from my mind, I say. So that's the thing.
So, who's your mentor who has prepared you to attempt this record?
Yeah, so actually, there are two people I need to mention here. First one is Mysurkar sir, like Sushant sir. He's really been like a motivational person to me. He used to continuously motivate me and help me to make this world record. I'm really thankful to him for giving me such a wonderful opportunity and creating a best platform for me to express my talent. And the second person to thank is my mother. Like she's been a guide for me and like a motivating person every day in my home, supporting me to learn this root to values. And I'm really thankful to both of them.
So, yes, of course, teachers need to be mentioned when a student excels in their field, right? Akshara, I hope you must be carrying your records with you right now. So,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you just show us that what records you have achieved? Just show one by one.
Yeah.
Uh, tell us what they are about.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So first, this is the certificate of like the world record that I received from Mad Genius World Records and Awards when I recited the 500 digits of root to value. And then I received another world record from the same organization, that is Mad Genius World Records and Awards, and I recited 1200 decimal places in 3 minutes and 26 seconds. And recently, as you all know, that I made a world record 6020 digits. So then I received this world record from Amazing Indian Records, and then I received another one from Champions Book of World Records also for my recent world record achievement. And then I received one more record from the International Talent Book of World Records. And then I received one more from the OMG Book of World Records.
Wow.
And
That
I've got special appreciation award from Indian Memory Association also. Yeah, so those are all the awards that I've received.
So that was amazing, Akshara. So many records. I think now you should create one special room to keep your records. And
Yes, ma'am.
that will be, yes, of course, a great motivation for all the students who are actually very good in maths, and they are very good with numbers. If I talk about myself, I was never good in numbers. I was always scared of maths. I don't know how people get in love with numbers, but I was always scared of numbers. And right now also, if I see somebody practicing so many numbers in any form, I get amazed. Oh God, how these people they can do such wonders. So do you think is there any need to get scared from maths?
No, ma'am, there is no need to get scared from maths. Maths is just a fun subject. So we need to get attached to it, and it's all just practice that we need to do to excel in any field, whether any subject it might be. And that's the secret of anything.
Yes, so comfortably you have told this, but I know the people who are struggling with maths, they only know what challenges they face. Anyways,
Yeah,
so I just want to know what kind of efforts your teachers have paid behind this. Means you are there to prepare for some record, and did any of your school teacher helped in this?
Um, actually helped in the sense like they've been a guiding force to me, and they've always been motivating me and like helping me to go in the right direction to achieve this world record. So I'm once again thankful to my school also for like encouraging me to do this world record.
So Akshara, recently, on account of National Mathematics Day celebrations on December 22nd, you were invited as the chief guest in some school. So, what was that? So, how was your experience being a chief guest in some school of your own city? So, tell my viewers about the whole experience you had being a chief guest.
Yes, ma'am. So actually, the school that I was invited to is KCP Siddhartha Adarsh Residential Public School. So it is one of the biggest CBSE schools in my city. So on the day, the principal of the school just called my parents, and he said that I was being invited as a chief guest for the National Mathematics Day celebration. My happiness actually has no bounds. I was really thrilled and I was really happy, and I felt really honored to get such a wonderful opportunity. And I went to the school, and they greeted me with a really warm welcome, and I gave a speech there, and I also recited my root 2 value there in front of all the students and all the teachers. And I was also like a part of the lamp lighting ceremony at the beginning of the program, and it went on really well, and it was such a great experience to me.
So, this is a big achievement, if I say, in such a young age,
Yes,
to go as a chief guest in any of the event. That's really fantastic, and I really
thank you,
feel
ma'am.
proud that I have been, part of that record you have made. Uh,
Thank you, ma'am.
After this record you made, you also went to meet our Vice President, Sri Venkaya Naidu Garu. How was that experience?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. So actually, before making the world record, one day, like long back, I asked my father, "Can I meet any like the great personalities, like the vice president or the president of a country?" He said, "You need to achieve something big in order to meet those personalities." So then, with that motivation and with that words of my father, I just did my world record. And so finally, I was really happy to get such a wonderful opportunity to meet the Vice President of India, Sri Venkaiah Naidu Garu. So on the day when we went to meet him, he congratulated me wholeheartedly, and he wished me good luck for my future endeavors also. I was really happy to get such a wonderful experience.
We can say that it was a dream to meet some great personality, which
Yeah,
motivated
yes, ma'am.
to achieve this world record. Apart from what other things have motivated you, I think this was also a dream behind that. You wanted to meet some, big celebrity or big personalities of our country. So that is really,
Yes, ma'am.
really great, Sai Akshara. And
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
must be, I must congratulate to your parents, your teachers, and your all the people who are related to you, because I know somewhere or the other, each and every person has contributed in this.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, I'm really thankful to my parents, like for encouraging me in each and every step for achieving this big success of this world, like Root to Value world record. And also, I'm really thankful to my school as well as all my relatives for supporting me and who were behind my back, like encouraging me. And even to Sushant sir for arranging such a wonderful platform to me to express my talent. And I'm really grateful to you also, ma'am, for organizing such a wonderful like world record. The everything, the wordings and all, it was really amazing.
For that, Akshara.
Welcome.
And recently, I also came to know that you are a national champion in archery. How did you manage
Yes,
to
ma'am.
practice archery? You just told that you use that commuting time for preparing your world records, but how do you manage your time to practice for archery to achieve such big national award, national championship in this?
Yeah, so archery is something that I've started 3 years back, as I mentioned earlier. So every day I used to go to the archery field morning 6 o'clock, and I used to return at 7:30 in the morning. So I just used to practice 1.5 hour during the normal days. But while during the competitions, I used to spend a lot of time in archery field, and thus managing all my things like with proper planning and with proper scheduled preparation, all things will be possible.
So it's all about effective time management. You have
Yeah,
to be
yes, ma'am.
very much on your toes to manage your time so that your school can be managed, this preparation for world record can be managed, and the practice of archery can
Yeah.
also be done. But you do one more thing. I also came to know that you run an astronomy club. So what is
Yeah.
it all about? You are a teacher in a very young age now. So
Yes.
what is it all about? Yes.
Yeah, so once the lockdown has started because of this COVID-19 pandemic, I just stayed idle for a few days. I say just to 10 to 15 days. And I'm not a person who actually likes to be idle. Like, if I just say about my daily schedule, it's like entirely busy. Like, I've been, I always attend many competitions, going to archery competitions, science fairs, science exhibitions, doing this world record. And I have many things there around me, so I just don't like to be idle. So I thought, okay, why not like start an Astro Club? So Astro Club is actually a platform for students to learn more about the universe and how it actually works. So I have around 40 to 45 members who are enrolled in my club, and I conduct free Zoom sessions every Sunday evening 5 o'clock. And I just take a specific topic related to astronomy and I explain them the topic. And I even conduct various quizzes, various competitions, and I also give them certificates too. So I've just started that recently, a couple of months ago.
So do you charge any fees for this program, whichever classes you are doing on astronomy?
Yeah, no, ma'am, it's completely free. It's just with the passion to teach and to share the knowledge that we have with the people around us. So that's made me.
Wow, that's really commendable, Akshara, that you have such a big heart that you don't want to monetize what you are doing right now, because this is what people are doing currently. That whichever field they are excelling, and if they are teaching online, they are monetizing it. But this is really very humble of you, and a kind hearted, being generous to that you have that feeling to teach other children, to share your knowledge to other children without charging anything. So that's really
Thank
appreciated.
you, ma'am.
So now you are still very young, and you must be having some goals in your life. What do you want to become in your life? What are your future plans?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. So, first of all, I have my board exams fast approaching ahead of me. Like maybe they might be in April or May or so. So, first, my goal is to secure a good rank or good marks in my board exams. And later in my future, for my undergraduation or for my graduation, I want to go to a top university and gain a lot of knowledge and use my knowledge to serve to the public and to be useful to our country and all.
So, any plans to become an engineer or doctor or something like that? Because your father is also engineer. I just came to know. So, do you wish
Yeah,
also to become an engineer just like your father?
Like not yet planned actually. Like I have many options around me. Not yet planned exactly.
Okay, so I hope,
But I
just like,
always have some interest towards robotics, artificial intelligence, or business management like that. So maybe some of those fields.
and I hope your parents must not be one of those who are forcing their interests on you. Otherwise, you wouldn't have been able to create this record.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. This record is not something that someone has forced me to do it. It's just out of my own passion and my own interest that I decided to do it.
I'm asking that your parents are not like that. That they are, forcing you that if I am an engineer, you have to become an engineer. So
Yeah,
they
no,
are
they always support my interest and they always give preference to my interest and they ask me to go in the direction which I want to.
That's really great. And again, there's a lesson for parents also, that if you give space to your children to grow in their own fields with their own interests and hobbies, they may create wonders. Just trust their capabilities. The way Akshara has come up with her world records is truly an example of an effective and graceful parenting, where a child has been given complete freedom to opt for her own interests and proceed further in that field. So, Akshara, thank you for being here on this platform, sharing your secrets with the viewers of my program Spotlight with Abha. And definitely, we both have promised that on 17th October 2021, we'll be creating some other record. So that challenge is still
Yes,
on our head. So if you get any idea, and if you have any such plans to break any record where even I can join you, do let me know. So
sure,
together
ma'am.
we'll create something. Okay. So on this
Yes,
note,
ma'am.
yes. So on
Thank
this
you,
note,
ma'am, for giving me this opportunity today. I'm really happy today.
yes, Akshara, on this note, I just want you to give one message to all the young children who are watching this program.
Yeah, so thank you, ma'am, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And one thing I want to say to all of you, just follow your dreams. Like each one has strengths in different fields. So you need to choose which strength you have and go in that direction.
That's simple and straightforward message from Akshara. Follow your dreams. Because if you don't have any dream, you cannot progress further in your life. You need some goal, you need some dream. You must see a
Yeah,
dream while you are sleeping, but actually you should see dream with your open eyes so that you can see where you have to go. So thank you,
yeah.
Akshara.
And one more thing,
Yes.
despite many deviations and distractions around us, we need to just focus on our goals without deviating into the crooked paths. We need to just focus on our goal until we achieve that particular task.
That's fantastic. So you need to be focused on your goal. So dreams are there, but you are not focused, you are not going to achieve it. So follow your dreams with a proper focus on it, that how you are going to achieve that dream. So determination is also needed with focus and a goal in your life. So, Akshara, before we wind up this program, I just want you to let you know that this episode of Spotlight with Abha is going to be telecasted on my YouTube channel, Abha Jadav, where you can send the links with your friends and they can subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that they can get notification whenever this program is going to be uploaded on my channel. At the same time, this program will be broadcasted on Radio Brainrhyme, which will be available on uh, Google Play Store. Download this Radio Brainrhyme application, and you will be happy to know that this Radio Brainrhyme is being heard in more than 20 countries. So you may be surprised if you start getting calls from other countries that Akshara, we want to take your interview. So on this note, I'm taking leave from Spotlight with Abha with the promise that meeting you soon with yet another amazing personality to share their success stories. So, for now, give me leave. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.